Morning guys, today's our first full day in Chiang Mai in Thailand, and I'm so excited to go explore the city and see what it has to offer. More than anything, we're here on the first day of Songkran. Songkran is their New Year's festival, and it is my favorite time of the year to be here. I was here last time for it, and it was absolute pandemonium. The water festival, and you know what? I'm not really gonna talk about it. I'm just gonna show you guys, so enjoy. It's way too hot out here, guys. It's like 104 degrees right now. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be able to record on this camera because it's gonna go in this baggie so it doesn't get ruined. And the rest is just gonna be GoPro. Someone just took our Songkran virginity. Yes! 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 All right, we're a little wet now, then we can start our day. Paul's negotiating prices on a gun right now. Paul, we're on a mission. Take him out, Paul! Take him out! No Paul's the shield right now. He's gunning people down. My clothes are getting so heavy right now. These are so wet. Like, comment, subscribe. Party. This is crazy.